Hi, my name is Karina Mascarenas and welcome to our channel Property Drone. Today I am here at the luxurious landmark by Sahil Properties located at Hinjewadi Phase 3. Today we are going to be looking at the project details and also have a look at a sample flat. Let's go. This is the magnificent landmark by Sahil Properties located in Hinjewadi Phase 3. It's right opposite to the Hinjewadi metro station and close to the Metropolis Circle. Stretched across an area of 3 acres, you get 3 thoughtfully constructed towers. Only towers 2 and 3 are open right now. Every tower consists of a basement, lower ground, upper ground, and then a huge lane of mezzanine shops, 3 podium parkings on top, and 1 entire podium level for amenities, which is stretched across an area of 1.5 acres. And then on top of that, you have 26 floors, which consists of 2 and 3 BHK apart. And then on top of that, you also get 50,000 square feet worth of amenities on the rooftop. On the rooftop, you get exclusive amenities such as a 300-meter long jogging track, a sky-gazing deck, and also an amphitheater. The configuration, carpet area, pricing, number of parking spaces, and possession date is given on the screen. Alright, now let's have a look at the 3 BHK sample flat. It has a carpet area of 1082 square feet. At the entrance, we have a video door phone by One Touch. And for your safety, they have also given a smart lock by Europa, which you can either access through fingerprint or a keycard. Upon entering the house, you get a spacious lobby. You can decorate it somewhat like this. You can have a shoe rack and put some decorative items on top. It's up to you. And then, moving on, we have the living room. You get ample amount of space for your living room. You can have your own cozy little corner here and a television set right in front of it. You can have your friends and family over. This is the perfect spot to hang out. And attached to the living room, we have a balcony. The dimensions are mentioned on the screen. Okay, let's have a look at the balcony now. You get ample amount of space here with wooden floorings, and you can have your own comfort place right here. You can sit, have a coffee, and enjoy the amazing scenic view. Now, next up we have the dining area. You can set up a nice dining table with at least 6 chairs over here to enjoy a perfect hot meal with your family. And right here next to the dining area, we have the amazing, humongous kitchen. You get this marble countertop, and apart from that, you don't get anything else, which means you get 100% creative freedom to decorate your kitchen however you like it. The dimensions are given on the screen. You also get a sink attached to it. And apart from that, you get your very own dry balcony with another sink. You can have your washing machine set up here or your dishwasher, anything you want. Now let's move on. If you are liking this place so far, then please contact us at the given details. Okay, now walking through the hallway, we reach the FlexiMe space. You can choose what you want to do with this space. You can create it into a study area, or you can also connect it with the dining area. It's totally up to you. Now, right opposite to this space, we have our first bedroom. So the first bedroom has ample amount of space. You can either turn it into a kid's bedroom or a guest bedroom. It's up to you. You can set up a king-size bed right here, have a huge wardrobe, and you will still have a lot of space to walk around. You also get these double windows allowing ample amount of light to come in and air as well. So this is a perfect breathable room, and it's so huge, so much space, it's perfect. Next up, we have the common washroom. You get exactly what you see, the same tiles, the same flooring, exactly how it looks, and you get CP and sanitary fittings from Johnson and Jaguar. So moving on, we have the next bedroom. Let's take a look. This bedroom has so much space. You can set up your bed right here, you can have your wardrobe, and also you can set up a television on this wall right here. You have a lot of space, and you also have huge windows, again allowing a lot of air to come in, a lot of sunlight, making it very breathable in here. Now, let's take a look at the master bedroom. The master bedroom has so much space that you can set up your own queen-sized bed, have bedside tables, have a huge wardrobe, and still have so much space to walk. You also get your very own attached balcony and washroom for your own privacy and convenience. Let's take a look at the balcony. The balcony has decent amount of space and you get wooden flooring as well. You also have the security of steel railings and toughened glass. Now you can decorate your balcony to your liking. For example, they've kept a chair here so you can sit, have a cup of coffee and enjoy the sunrise or sunset. Now let's take a look at the private bathroom. You get exactly what you see. Again, you have the same walls, same flooring, and you get CP and sanitary fittings from Jaguar. This entire project seems like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's reality and it could be your reality. Just contact us at the given details.